Science for Annex progress. So this was 3 days through here. We had 4 days. We've completely ripped the south side. 50% of the roof would be right about here in between these two walkways. So we're almost about 50% on the rip. And to be honest with you, we had 4 inches of rain last week and we had not a drop of water. It's the first time we went in, we checked the whole perimeter section, and boy did we see some old damage from past history. And not one drop of water was inside the building, so it's actually the first time that this whole area was dry during a rain event. We replaced a lot of plywood through here, and you're seeing we're replacing a lot of plywood through this section over in here. I think in the third sections we were averaging 22 sheets. We ended up with 28 sheets through here. There's the flashing that's got a huge bit of caulk around it that we're going to replace. The flashing touching the roof. The stainless steel shroud up above is fine. The architect this morning, approved the contractor to change that to lead-coated copper. So we're working our way around. We're kind of on target on our plywood usage, but we know we're going to definitely get into quite a bit of it over in this section right through here. So we've been averaging 6 carpenters a day, fully tied off, full helmets, safety glasses, working well. Alright, we do have a decent sized ridge vent on this area over here to be able to breathe. And there's been some questions about the moisture barrier in here, but let's not forget that the soffits are 100% vented all the way around through, none of the insulation. Hey guys, before you put that down with that proper vent, would you pull it up a little bit? That proper vent? Thank you. And that's the update for November 1st. So by the end of this week, there's a chance we're going to strip here tomorrow, which would be Tuesday. There's a chance we'll be completely stripped, and the reality is we could be in the shingles next week. And the architect is on his way out again today to pick the color on the fascia metal so that they can get started with the shingles.